Meaning of enable.
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 Enable. Enable means to give someone or something the ability or opportunity to do or achieve something. The result of enabling can be positive or negative depending on the context. For example, enabling someone with addiction can actually hinder their recovery and perpetuate their destructive behavior. However, enabling a child to pursue their interests and passions can foster their creativity and growth. Ultimately, enabling empowers someone or something to reach its potential or carry out its intended purpose.